Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello, grade 4 pupils. Welcome again to our science and technology lesson. Today we are going to look at force. We try to look at the meaning of force and its effects. So, what is force? For us to be able to know the meaning of the word force, we are going to have I have this chair here, and is a Bible on top of the chair. So, what will happen when I hold this piece of string here, then I bring the Bible towards me? You can see it is coming this way. So when I try again to push it away from me, it is moving away. So what is making this Bible to come towards me and to move away from me, that is what we call force. Even this chair, I can try to bring it towards me. You can see it is coming. I'm trying to apply some force to the chair. I can still try to make the chair to move away from me. It is moving away from me. So that thing that is making the chair to move towards me and to move away from me is what we call force. So generally we say that force is a pull or a push. Force is defined as a pull or a push on an object. When you try to pull an object towards you, you say you are applying force, and that is why this Bible is coming towards me. When I try to push it away from me, you can see it is moving. Whatever is making this Bible to move away from me or towards me, that is what we call force. Even this chair, when I pull the chair towards me, you can see it is coming. I'm pulling it towards me, and I can also push it away from me. I can push it away from me. So that is what we call force. So you have seen people, maybe a cow pulling the cart, or even the cows pulling the plow during the planting season. So you see that those are some of the examples of force. Force, I said, it is generally a pull or a push on an object. It can be a chair, it can be a box. For example, you place a heavy box on the floor and you try to push the box away from you, that you say you are applying force. So force, we say it is a pull or a push. What are some of the effects of force? What are some of the effects of force? You see, this Bible, I've placed this Bible there. So when I try to apply some force, what will the Bible do? I'm applying force. What is the Bible doing? The Bible is moving. It is now there. When it is not moving, you say it is at stationary. When something is not moving, you say something is stationary. When something is not moving, you say it is stationary. So it is there, it is not moving. So when I try to apply force to the Bible, what will the Bible do? It is moving. So one effect of force is we say that force can make objects to move. Force can make objects to move. It makes stationary objects to move. When something is moving, we say, according to science, we say it is in motion. Makes a stationary object to move. For example, if it is a ball, you place a ball on the ground, it is not moving. What will happen when you try to kick that ball? The ball will start to roll, meaning it is moving. So, force can make a stationary object to move, and also it can make moving objects to stop. Force can make moving objects to stop. For example, there is this Bible there, and then I have this pen here. The pen is there, it is not moving. We say it is stationary. If anything is not moving, it's stationary. Then when I try to apply some force, you can see it has stopped. Why? Because this Bible is trying to push that pen towards against the direction of motion or of movement. So when this pen is there, it is stationary, it is not moving. So I try to apply some force to it, it is moving. Then once it meets an object or a barrier, it will stop. Why? Because that barrier is preventing that pen from rolling. So another effect of force is that it can stop moving objects. It can stop moving objects. Another effect of force, so this pen is there, so I can throw that pen towards that, then it comes back. It comes back to me. So we say that another effect of force is that it can change the direction of a moving object. Force can change direction of moving objects. Force can change the direction of moving objects. For example, if you kick a ball towards a wall, you kick a ball, it goes to the wall. Will it go and stop at the wall? No. It will go, hit the wall, and either move that way or come back towards you. So once initially it was moving towards the direction of the wall, and once it hits the wall, it will bounce back either this way or this way. So force can change the direction of moving objects. Another effect of force. This is a ball, a plasticine that is in the shape of a ball. This is a plasticine that is in the shape of a ball. So what will happen if you hit that plasticine? Will it remain to be a ball? What has happened to its shape? It has changed. So we say that force can change the shape of an object. Can change shape of an object. The same will apply to this bottle here. So this bottle, you can see its shape originally. When I apply some force to it, what will happen to its shape? It will change. Why? Because we have applied force. So we say that force can change the shape of an object. Those are the four main effects of force. I say that force is a pull or a push, and the effects of force is one, it makes stationary objects to move. I say that stationary objects are objects which are not moving. They are staying on one point. So force will make the stationary objects to move. Force will stop moving objects. Will make a moving object to stop. I say that when an object is moving, you say it is in motion. A moving object, you say, is in motion. It is moving. Force can change the direction of moving object, and it can also change the shape of an object. Those are the four effects of force in our daily lives. So those are the main effects of force. Thank you.